Hey guys, tonight we're going to make some ribeye Philly cheesesteaks with Hatch Green Chilies and peppers. Hey guys, welcome back to the show. If you're new here, my name is Todd.
I'm Sassy.
This is Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer, and we are delighted that you guys could spend some time with us watching a few of our videos. Welcome. All right guys, so right here I got 3 ribeye steaks that we've been saving just for this. Now, if you guys seen our other Philly cheesesteak video, we'll put a little tab here to it. If not, go check it out. We love those Philly cheesesteaks so much. And we had another opportunity to make some more, this time with a few more peppers and chilies. So we're gonna raise that taste level just a little bit. And we're gonna use nothing but ribeye steaks this time, just to make sure we really kick it up a notch. And then we're gonna be adding some chilies and peppers that are roasted, and they're from Hatch. And then some Goya Adobo. Is that how you say it, baby? Oh, I'm sorry, Goya Adobo. Now we're gonna do this at the end. I'll explain why later. So guys, be sure to watch this whole video to the end. When we put this delicious seasoning on there, go get you some. Okay guys, here we go. So we got 3 nice little ribeye steaks here. They're not so little though. This one's pretty decent size, about inch and a quarter thick. Probably about a pound and almost a pound and a half. You know, I'm not gonna bother trimming it, but definitely what we need to do is cut it up. So guys, so that was a lot of chopping. Be ready, you know, your wrist or your arm might get tired, but just power through it. Obviously, the sharper the knife, the better here. So what I'm gonna do now is get all our chilies and peppers ready to go. Most of them are. I'm gonna chop up some fresh garlic, and then I'm gonna meet you out by the flat top. Okay guys, we got all the ingredients ready to go. So just a quick word about my Camp Chef Explorer 2 burner portable cooking stove. What I'm going to be doing here is using 2 zones. On the left side, I'm going to be going with a medium heat. And on the right side, I'm going to be going with a low heat. That's just so I can control the way the meat's being cooked a little bit better. Now, since they're ribeye, you don't really need to help it out much at all. In fact, there's so much good, juicy goodness in those with all the fat. Just chop it up really good, throw it on there, and then just kind of start cooking it like you're browning up some hamburger. I know you guys already know this by now, but if you don't season your ribeye steak at the beginning, especially with salt. That salt's gonna pull the moisture out of that meat and really dry it up, so you don't want that. Just use what comes naturally to that ribeye steak. Now, what I am gonna do though, is throw in some peppers and some of that garlic, maybe about halfway in. And then at the end, I'm gonna use some of that Goya all-purpose seasoning. It does have a little chili in there. So basically this is gonna be a really hot dish, I hope. And we'll see how it comes out. So, okay, as you can see, we got the garlic and all the chili peppers and roasted Hatch chili ready to go. We got our meat and we got our avocado oil. Be sure to use avocado oil. It's got the highest smoke point of all the oils. So let's get started. Okay, there's several ways of telling whether your grill is hot enough or not. One way is to drop some beer on it. If it rolls around like that, it's ready to go. So, yeah, it's hot. Now this side is on low, so it's not gonna need much. So we're gonna get started here, and we're just gonna dump this all on there. All right. Now, I might have misspoke earlier. This side is medium and this side is low. So I'm going to use the medium side to get a nice little sear going. Get that nice little char going a little bit. With all that juice, you don't need to add anything to this. It's just so flavorful and juicy. I could smell it. First with the garlic. We love chili. So here we go. All right, it might seem a lot, but that's what we're going for here. Chili explosion. Okay, now these Hatch chili here are already cooked. They're already roasted, so I'm gonna save these to last. So I'm gonna go medium both sides now, because you know what's happening is this meat's kind of helping to cool down the surface. So I want to get it back up there. Also, these tend to be hotter right above each burner, so I'm gonna go ahead and kind of split it a little bit. Meat's tasting really good. I got a nice sear on some of these. I think it's looking really good. What's missing now is just a little bit of seasoning. I think it's time for that right now. So I'm going to start with just a little bit of the adobo Goya. Okay, I'm just going to give it one pass right there for now. So guys, when you have a unfamiliar seasoning, it's always best to start a little light, taste it, work your way up. Okay, now I'd say I'm about 75% there. So now on with the Hatch chili. Bam. And I'm just gonna mix that in. Oh God. Immediate flavor rush. I can smell it. Oh my God.
Oh, that looks insane, dude.
Oh my God, it's so good.
Oh my God, that looks good.
Oh, whoa. So word of caution. Hatch chilies can be a little bit of choking here. You know, I'm coughing because the Hatch chili fumes are getting me. You know, when you're roasting these and cutting them up, make sure you got some good ventilation.
You have to get outside.
Oh, wow. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in the middle here a little bit. And I'm going to turn the right side all the way off. And just push this stuff aside there. I don't want it to cook anymore. It'll stay nice and warm. Now what we're gonna do is throw some cheese on there. There we go. Put some more over here. Okay. Okay, it's gonna be Sassy's. I think that's well, that's a lot of cheese. Okay. All right. Yeah, that's good enough. And there should be enough residual temperature. Warm up that bun there.
Yum.
Okay, here's the trick. Flip it over. There you go. Should have a bun here. Now, we didn't get hoagies, and we should have. So, couldn't find them. Yeah, I'm going to blame that on COVID. Okay, I'm going to flip that one over. Basically, we got two sandwiches right there. Okay. Put that over there. Okay. Hoping this, well, you know, they're not staying together, so be it. All right, guys. There we go.
That's enough. Wow, that looks amazing.
There's your hoagie. Huh? You afraid?
I'm a squirt.
All right, babe, what do you think?
It looks delicious.
All right, well, it looks all right, but
But
now it's time to eat.
But it's hot.
Oh, it's hot.
Oh, man, that's a monster sandwich.
Hell yeah. How's the meat taste?
Delicious.
Okay, so I'm gonna have my sandwich.
Deliciousness. Would be excellent. Just go for today.
So I messed up again. I told you guys on the last Philly cheesesteak sandwich that I would get some hoagies next time. Well, we couldn't find any. So we just got some good deli buns. The roasted Hatch chili, since they were already cooked more or less, that's why we put those in last. You notice that I was coughing because, you know, those things, the fumes will get to you. So be careful. And of course, watch out for little dogs. Really enjoyed you guys stopping by, visiting us for a little while, watching a few of our videos. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't. And if you stuck out to the end of the video, thank you very much. Not everyone does that, and we really appreciate it. We know who you are. So, see you later. Good? Okay.